Hello, doing some more work at night, and here I have fabricated the second layer for the hips, the sort of runner sort of things. There's probably not going to be any cross connections between the two. These will just sit on right under the corresponding beams on the hips. Can't see them right now because it's dark. And what's going on is this empty space right here is going to contain one second. The forks for the leg pylons. I will probably have to trim them down a little bit so this mounting point right here will fit onto this little bit sticking out right here. And it will have an angle where it only goes back about 2 inches or so on the upper piece. So it will still give the legs a nice angle and lots of extra support, because just a single beam, I don't feel comfortable with the lack of support that it would be giving. But I will also be putting the legs on the right way, because these legs are not actually, you can't see it because it's kind of dark, they're actually slightly different. They're angled so that when you put them on the right way, the wheels will actually align straight. When I had it all connected up, they were actually on the wrong way, so that might have been one of the reasons for the steering issues. But a little bit of woodwork. Giant robot torso sitting in the yard. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye-bye.